हरि ओम्। यस्य प्रसादा भवमङ्गलदाता प्रसीद गङ्गो उपनिषत् विशुद्धा समर्पयामो गुरुचिन्मयाय समर्पयामो गुरुचिन्मयाय भूयात् प्रसन्नस्य शिवस्वरूपः भूयात् प्रसन्नस्य शिवस्वरूपः भूयात् प्रसन्नस्य शिवस्वरूपः.
Power of concentration. Yesterday we saw about the power of belief. We often hear about this word concentration. Every now and then we keep on hearing this word concentrate, concentrate, concentrate. But sometimes what happens is, unless the inner meaning of the word concentration is clear to us, we might be thinking that we are concentrating, but still there might be something which may be lacking, which will tell us that we need to do something more. So let us see what the Yoga Vasishta has to say and what the scriptural teachings have to say about the concentration. The first point to be known here is, when we gather, the physical, the mental, the intellectual and the emotional resources, or the physical, mental, intellectual and emotional personalities in us, which we are referring to as resources, and focus all of them on one common object or one common objective. So there has to be one common objective, and we have to focus all of our physical, mental, intellectual, emotional resources. When we are able to do this, then what happens? The power of concentration is released. Meaning, all of us are born with the power of concentration, but it might be lurking inside without getting released. Because when the Parabrahmic consciousness is the core essence of us, which is deep inside these personality layers, then this has got, or it has got all the power of concentration. It is there inside, but it has to be released. So how do we release it? So when it is released, then we can experience it. Then we can utilize it. Then it is available with us, available for our utility.
Yat prasannasya shivasvarupah.
Om Namah Shivaya. 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 Dhim, 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 dhim. Tataka jono dhim, tata dhim, tata dhim, tata taka jono dhim. Dhim, धीम 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 ततक जोड़ धीम तक धीम तक धीम।
चरणों में उनकी शांति समाये, शरणागत की भ्रांति मिटाए, पाप ताप संताप